Hey YouTube family, how are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. Welcome back to Fashion Forward, the ultimate destination for all the latest trends in women's footwear for 2025. This year, stiletto high heels, moles, and sandals are taking center stage, offering a perfect mix of glamour, sophistication, and innovations. Get ready to explore stylish and redefine elegance and versatility. The return of the stiletto. Stilettos are reclaiming their dominance in the fashion world with bold and modern designs. From sky high heels to kitten variants, there's something for every tasty. Expect to see metallic sands scenes in gold, silver, and rose gold, adding a luxury whip to your ensembles. Designers also embracing spectral heels with artistic shapes and geometric accents, transforming footwear into wardrobe wearable art. Materials this year emphasizes comfort without compromising style. Look out for premium leathers, stun finishes, and eco-friendly options like vegan leather. The pointed toe stiletto remains a classic while option 2 open toe variants paired with ankle straps are becoming a go-to choice for evening wear for casual looks. Slingback stilettos and moles offer the perfect balance of ease and Chinese. Sandals redefined sandals. Sandals in 2025 bring an exciting twist with innovative straps, patterns, statements, buckles, and vibrant color palettes. Flat sandals are all about comfort, featuring padded footbeds and ergonomic designs, while heeled sandals are playing with bold contrasts. Think transparent straps paired with jeweled embellishments or neon hues with neutral bases. Chunky platform sandals are making a strong comeback, offering height without sacrificing comfort. These designs work perfectly for our casual outings, beachwear, or even semi-formal events. Gladiator sandals too are back with the modern edge, featuring metallic finishes and asymmetrical straps. Placements for our evening styles, sleek, minimalistic sandals with coastal accents are trending color and patterns. Color trends this year are vibrant and versatile. Jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, and ruby red dominate the palette, while pastels remain popular for spring and summer collections. Animal prints, especially snakeskin and leopard, are making waves, adding a wild yet classy touch to any outfit. Macro charm footwear in bold colors like electric blue or hot pink. It is also trending, often paired with matching outfits for a coaches look. If you prefer something understand nude tones and soft metallics, provide an effortless, elegant alternative. Styling tips and occasions. Wondering how to style your 2025 footwear? Stilettos pair beautifully with tailored trousers, pencil skirts, or evening gowns. For a casual yet polished, we opt for sling bags or heeled sandals with cropped jeans and a blouse. Platforms and gladiators are perfect for bohemian outfits like maxi dresses or flowy skirts. For formal settings, sleek stilettos in neutral tones are a timeless choice. Do not forget to accessories. Matching your footwear with statement corsets or handbags can elevate your look, while adding delicate and anklets can highlight intricate scarf designs. the future of women's footwear. As we move forward, sustainability is playing a significant role in the fashion industry. Brands are focusing on eco-conscious materials from recycled fabrics to biodegradable soles. Innovations like 3D printed shields and adjustable designs ensure that 2025 footwear is not just fashionable but also future ready. The legacy of Stiletto heels have a history rooted in empowerment and elegance. In 2025, this legacy involves with futuristic designs that cater to the bold modern woman. Expect to see stilettos with transparent heels, LED lighting, and even interchangeable straps to suit different occasions. These are not just shoes, they are statements of confidence. Comfort meets styles. 2025 marks a shift in the industries where comfort and style coexist seamlessly. Brands are focusing on ergonomic soles and advanced cushioning to ensure that even the highest stilettos feel like a dream to wear. For sandals, lightweight materials like cork and memory foam are redefining all-day comfort. Seasonal highlights for spring and summer open to stilettos with floral patterns and pastel tones dominate in autumn. Deep rich color like burgundy and chocolate brown take over. Winter collection focus on elegance with velvet finishes and four-lined sandals making appearance for luxury warmth. Influence of technology in footwear. Technology is reshaping footwear design. Smart shoes equipped with wearable teeth like tracking steps or adjusting the heel height are gaining popularity. Custom fit designs made possible through 3D scanning and printing ensure every pair fits like a glove, emphasizing both style and functionality. Red carpet inspiration, celebrity influence continues to shape trends from high-profile events like the Met Gala to global fashion weeks. Stiletto heels and sandals are stealing the show. Watch out for bold designs featuring oversized bows, metallic wings, and custom monogrammate straps inspired by Hollywood icons. The footwear trends of 2025 are as diverse as they are groundbreaking. Whether it's a pair of stiletto heels for a glamorous night out or sandals for casual chic, this year's design promise to captivate and inspire. Stay tuned to Fashion Forward. The art of minimalism in footwear. In 2025, minimalism is taking the lead in women's footwear. Simple, clean lines with monochrome plates are redefining elegance. Nude stiletto heels paired with sleek, transparent straps are a must-have for women. Women seeing subtle yet powerful style statements. Minimalism is not just a trend, it is a lifestyle. Retro revival inspiration. Fashion always comes full circle, and 2025 is no different. Vintage inspiration inspired styles like thin straps, stilettos, and black heel sandals are making a grand comeback. Look out for animal prints, metallic detailing, and bold neon colors reminiscent of the 19s era, combining retro vibes with modern craftsmanship. These designs are a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovations. sustainable footwear trends. With sustainability in focus, footwear designers are embracing eco-friendly practice. Sandals crafted from recycled materials, biodegradable soles, and water-based dyes are leading the charge. Brands are also introducing repairable stilettos, allowing user to replace heels and straps instead of discarding discarding their favorite pairs. It's fashion with a conscientious luxury redefined high-end brands. The luxury footwear market in 2025 is pushing boundaries with exclusive designs. High-end brands are incorporating elements like crystals, hand-pointed leather, and custom monogramming. Limited edition stiletto collections inspired by global cultural such as intricate embroidery from Asia or bold African prints are becoming collectors' items for fashion enthusiasts. Day to night transition stilettos. 2025 introduced footwear that effortless transitions from day to night stilettos with detachable accessories like ankle chains, slip-on bows, or embellishments allow you to customize your look. Sandals with convertible heel heights are perfect for busy days, followed by elegant evenings. Versatility is the key to modern footwear. Comfort beyond expectations. Innovation is comfort. Technology are taking center stage. Foam padded soles, adjustable straps, and anti-slap grip are making even the most glamorous stiletto practical for extended wear. Lightweight sandals with arch support ensure that you do not have to compromise comfort for style. Bold embellishments and textures. This year, bold is beautiful. Stilettos with oversized bows, feathers, or ring accents are perfect for those who love standing out. Sandals featuring woven textures, macrame designs, or metallic braiding with texture is great way to keep your wardrobe exciting.